Welcome to my YouTube channel T.NATH'S Physics class. Today I'll discuss remaining question from Nerist NEE-2 and Physics paper 2019. Let's start. First question. A plain glass slab is kept over various colored letter. The letter which appears least rays is option A blue, option B violet, option C green, option D red. How can I solve this one? For that one we have to know the formula normal shift. D equal to T1 minus 1 by mu. Here T is the thickness of the slab and mu is the refractive index. Again we know mu proportional to 1 by lambda. From equation 1 and 2 we have D equal to T into 1 minus lambda. So from this formula it is clear that the color which has maximum wavelength, it has minimum value of T. As we know, red color has maximum wavelength, so red color letter will be least raised. So option will be D. Next question. A diverging lens of focal length 15 cm forms an image 10 cm from the lens. The distance of the object from the lens is option A 15 cm, option B minus 30 cm, option C minus 20 cm, option D 20 cm. Here we have to find out the object distance from the lens. Here is the solution. Here given, for diverging lens we know that focal length is negative, that is f equal to minus 15 cm. For diverging lens image distance will be negative, v equal to minus 10 cm, and here u we have to find out. For that one we have to use the formula of lens equation, that is 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here we put the value of f, v, and after calculations we find out value of u as minus 30 cm. So right option is B. Next question. A radioactive has half-life of 60 minutes. After 3 hours, the fraction of the substance that has to be decayed will be option A 87.5%, option B 52.5%, option C 25.5%, option D 8.5%. Let's see the solution. Here given half-life capital T equal to 60 minutes, total time T equal to 3 hours, we convert into minute, that is 3 into 60 minutes. For that one we have to know the formula of number of undecay atoms. Okay, what is the formula of undecay atoms? That is n equal to n naught 1 by 2 to the power T by capital T. T, small t is the total time and capital T is the half-life. After simplifying, n by n naught equal to half to the power T by T. So here we have to find out the percentage of fraction of atom decayed. So what is the formula? 1 minus n by n naught into 100%. So n by n naught value we already calculated, that is 1 by 2 to the power small t by capital T. T is the total time is 3 into 60, capital T is the half-life 60. After calculation we got, here is the calculation, 1 by 3, that is 1 minus 1 by 8, that is 7 by 8. After calculation we got 87.5%. So right option is A. Okay. Next question. The ratio of root mean square velocity, average velocity, and most probable velocity for 1 mole of gas will be option A 1.73 is to 1.6 is to 1.41. Option B, 1.6 is to 1.73 is to 1.41. Option C, 1.41 is to 1.6 is to 1.73. Option D, 1.73 is to 1.41 is to 1.6. So for that one, we have to simply know the formula of root mean square velocity, average velocity, and most probable velocity. Root mean square velocity, CRMS, equal to root over 3RT by M. Average velocity, C average, root over 8RT by M. Most probable velocity, CMP, root over 2RT by M. Therefore, CRMS is to C average is to CMP, root 3 is to root over 8 by 5 is to root 2. After calculation, how much we got? 1.73 is to 1.6 is to 1.41. So right option is A. Last question of this sentence exam. A closed organ pipe produces a fundamental frequency of 484 Hz. This pipe is cut into two equal parts. The fundamental frequencies produced in these two organ pipes. Option A, 242 Hz, 484 Hz. Option B, 242 Hz, 968 Hz. Option C, 484 Hz, 968 Hz. Option D, 968 Hz, 1936 Hz. Let's see the solution. So here fundamental frequency already given, that is 484 Hz. When we cut this closed organ pipe into two equal parts, then one part will be the acting as a closed pipe of half length, and other part will acting as open pipe of half length of the original length of the closed pipe. Okay, and we know fundamental frequency of closed pipe mu naught equal to B by 4L. When cut, then then length will be L by 2, so 2 will be there, then 2 into B by 4L, and this B by 4L is the fundamental frequency, that is mu naught. Insert the value of mu naught, and after calculation we find out 968 Hz. For other part, the other part is acting as a open pipe whose length is half of the original length of the closed pipe. So we know that fundamental frequency of open pipe is V by 2 L dash. Here L dash is the L by 2. After calculation, V by L, just to use the mathematical arrangement, 4 into B by 4L, because we know the value of B by 4L, that is the fundamental frequency of the closed pipe, and that is given. So B by 4L is mu naught, and mu naught value is already given, 484. Okay, so 4 into 484, that is 1936 Hz. So right option is D. Thank you for watching my video. So these are all the questions of Nerist NEE-2 entrance exam physics paper 2019. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.